Hi students, welcome to Karthik Chemistry channel. In the previous class, I explained you hydrogen oxygen fuel cell. Okay. Now I am going to explain you methyl alcohol oxygen fuel cell. Methanol oxygen fuel cell. So in methanol oxygen fuel cell, methanol is used as a fuel and oxygen is the oxidant. Okay. So here methanol CH3OH is used as a fuel and oxygen is the oxidant to generate electricity. So what is the anode and what is the cathode? Here the anode is porous nickel electrode which is impregnated with platinum or palladium catalyst, and the cathode is porous nickel electrode coated with silver catalyst. Okay, porous nickel electrode impregnated with platinum or palladium catalyst, porous nickel electrode coated with silver catalyst. What is the electrolyte here? KOH is the electrolyte. Okay, the electrolyte solution is KOH. So in the previous class I explained you the construction of fuel cell. Okay, so whatever the fuel cell it may be, it consists of two porous electrodes. These two are separated with an ion exchange membrane from which exchange of ions takes place from left side to right side or right side to left side, and an electrolyte solution is circulated through this membrane. From left side we should pass the fuel and from right side we should pass the oxidant. Okay, so always fuel acts as anode and oxidant acts as cathode. So these two are porous electrodes that means from these pores fuel and oxygen are entered into the ion exchange membrane. Okay, here from left side we should pass methyl alcohol vapors or methanol vapors, and from right side we should pass oxygen gas. Okay, then there is a chemical reaction between these two. So what is the anodic half cell reaction here? CH3OH methanol plus 6OH minus, here the electrolyte solution is KOH, so it reacts with OH minus ions present in the electrolyte solution. So CH3OH plus 6OH minus gives rise to CO2 plus 5H2O plus 6 electrons. At cathode 3 by 2 O2 plus 3H2O plus 6 electrons gives rise to 6OH minus. Okay, O2 plus H2O plus 6 electrons gives rise to 6OH minus. So what is the net reaction here? CH3OH plus 3 by 2 O2 gives rise to CO2 plus 2H2O. So these are the reactions at anode and cathode. Okay, in methanol oxygen fuel cell, anode is porous nickel electrode impregnated with platinum or palladium catalyst. Through that porous electrode we should pass methyl alcohol vapors, and cathode is porous nickel electrode coated with silver catalyst. Through that porous electrode we should pass oxygen that acts as an oxidant. The anodic reactions are methanol. Here methanol acts as anode and oxygen acts as cathode. So CH3OH plus 6OH minus gives rise to CO2 plus 5H2O plus 6 electrons, and 3 by 2 O2 plus 3H2O plus 6 electrons gives rise to 6OH minus. The net reaction is CH3OH plus 3 by 2 O2 gives rise to CO2 plus 2H2O. So it is the construction and anodic and half cell reactions of methanol oxygen fuel cell. So what are the advantages of methanol oxygen fuel cell? The advantages of methanol oxygen fuel cells are these are stable at all environmental conditions. Okay, the first advantage is methanol oxygen fuel cells are stable at all environmental conditions and easy to transport. They do not require complex steam reforming operations. So because of high hydrogen concentration in methanol, it is an excellent fuel. Okay, because of high hydrogen concentration in methanol, it is an excellent fuel. So, and the another advantage is methanol having less risk to aquatic plants, animals and human beings than gasoline. Comparing with gasoline, methanol poses very less risk to aquatic plants, animals and human beings. Okay, and the next advantage is it is very low inflammability limit than gasoline. Okay, there is zero emission by the cells, hence the fuel cells are eco-friendly. So comparing with gasoline or petroleum products, fuel cells produce zero emission. Okay, all fuel cells are eco-friendly. Okay, and what are the applications of alcohol oxygen fuel cells? The major application of methanol oxygen fuel cell is a fuel for fuel cell motor vehicles like NECAR 5 in Japan, USA, etc. Okay, the major application of methanol oxygen fuel cell is it is a fuel for fuel cell motor vehicles like NECAR 5. It is a NECAR 5. See students, NECAR 5, it is a fuel cell motor vehicle in advanced countries like Japan and USA. Okay, so it is the best application. It is a fuel cell motor in NECAR 5 vehicles in Japan. Okay, so it is the methanol oxygen fuel cell. So see the methanol oxygen fuel cell. So you should write in examination what is the anode, what is the cathode, what is the anodic half cell reaction, what is the cathodic half cell reaction, and what is the net. Thank you students, thank you for watching.